Okay, this is going to be a video response to USNER and a update on my EDC. My EDC has changed a lot since I got this bag from Canicom. I've taken a lot of stuff out and put it in the bag that I carry in the truck, or just leave it by me when I'm doing stuff. So first off, I wear these Public Works tactical pants with a 511 Tactical Series belt, and all the stuff in the pockets I'll show it on the desk. Okay, so I'm going to start with my left front pocket. In my left front pocket I have a lighter and a money clip, which is the Appalachian Trails two-piece knife set, one of them. In my right front pocket I have a cell phone, just one for no texting, just calling. In my back right pocket I have my wallet and a Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. In my back lower right pocket I have a D-ring with 10 feet of paracord and some Ranger bands. In my back left pocket I have two things of duct tape, gray and brown. And the back lower left pocket I have a bandana. On my front outside pocket I have another Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. On my left cargo pocket I have just a ballpoint pen and a Gerber clutch with little pieces of paracord. On my right cargo pocket I have the other Appalachian Trail knife and a Rayovac pen light. So that's the update on my EDC and a response to USNER video. Hopefully I'll have a review out soon on the Canicom bailout bag and show you what's in there, because I've changed a lot of my EDC and put it in there. Thanks for watching.